it will mean nothing if he doesn't end up with a shiny trophy at the end of the season. Could be Mokoena trying to dance his way through. Oh, finally, they scramble it in. Is it Jaden Adams that had the last touch? What a week. And he does them shishi celebration. Oh, finally they find a way past Ronaldo Lina.
Relentless. I think it's the word that you can use to describe Mamelodi Sundowns. Even after so many failures, they just didn't give up. They just kept pumping. They just kept punching. They just kept breaking into that wall. That bus finally moved. And that for me is just the character, but take nothing from how the team of Sekhukhune played. Massive bodies. Look at the number of yellow shirts going to that. Morena does his part here. Once again, Lina got onto the ball, and that's why it bounced off the post because of the deflection from him. But defenders didn't react quick enough.
Jaden Adams, that's 3 goals in 3 matches for Jaden Adams. 2 for national team, 2 for country, and a massive one for club. And yeah, surely that'll do it. And then pays homage there to Mshishi.